Hello everyone. Here's my April Ipsy bag. I'm gonna unbag it. The theme of the month is social butterfly, hence all of the cute little butterflies on this bag. So the first thing I got is the BioRace Pore Tightening Pearl Clay Mask. I did already open this up and smell it, but it smells pretty earthy. I don't know if it's like necessarily a pleasant smell, but it smells like, you know, it'll clean your skin, so that's good. The second thing I got is That Liquid Glow Though Trust Fund Beauty Liquid Highlighter. This is really cute packaging. I also tried this as well, and I'm already wearing it on my cheekbones and the tip of my nose. It is kind of sticky, and it's a little bit hard to blend, but I still think it's pretty cute. Okay, it's also in the shade Lit, I think, which is funny to me. And then the third thing I got is the H2O Plus Beauty Oasis Hydrating Treatment, clinically proven to hydrate immediately and soften skin. So I'm excited for that. I feel like I have combination skin because I'm pretty oily, but I get dry around my nose area and my chin, and sometimes, ooh, that was my stomach, and sometimes my cheeks. Yeah. Let's see how it smells. Oh, that smells nice. I like that. Okay. Fourth thing is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Istanbul. This is pretty cute. I don't know if it's too pale for me or not. It's kind of like a Barbie pink. We'll do a little swatch. I have one of these in Copenhagen, I think. It's the shade. So it's pretty bright. It's a little bold, but we'll see. And then the last thing I got is the Sahi Cosmetics Cream Metallic Foil Eyeshadow. I started getting Ipsy in January, and each month, ooh, this is hard to open. Each month I feel like they give me a metallic, like copper eyeshadow, which I'm not complaining. It's in the shade Doha. Ooh, that's really cute. Really, ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, ooh. That's pigmented. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's do right here. Oh, wow. That's kind of cute. Wait a second. Wow, that's a lot of glitter. I'll give you a close-up. Here's a close-up. How glittery that is. Oh yeah. I just tested the eyeshadow out on my lid, and it is very sparkly. Like, that's very glittery, but it's really cute. I like that it's not like a darker copper, because the other shades I received in the past couple months were kind of on the darker side. Oh my gosh. It's like getting in my eyelashes. Huh. Yeah, that's cute, right? I like this a lot. Okay. Wow. Okay, now to try the lipstick. Ooh. So NYX Istanbul. Sorry, nothing's focusing. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, here's the lipstick. It's a little, bright. I also layered a little matte brown taupey shade over the glitter eyeshadow, and then here's the highlighter. It's pretty poppin'. Yeah, so that concludes my Ipsy unbagging. thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.